Types of relations. Here we are going to discuss about the types of relations of kind 1. So, in case of kind number 1, there are 4 types of relations. Say one is of 1 to 1 relation, and the second one is of 1 to many relation, the third one is of many to 1 relation, and the last one is of many to many relation. Then now we are going to discuss all these topics under the advanced level. Then now, say here kinds of relations, or in other words the types of the relations. There are 4 types. There are of 4 types of relations. Number 1 is 1 to 1 relation. The second one is of one to many relation, and the third one is of many to 1 relation, and the last one, that is the fourth one, is of many to many. It is many to many relation. So now let us discuss one after the other of all these 4 relations. Then now the number 1, that is of 1 to 1 relation. So in this relation, when we consider or when we assume a relation that is R from A into B, set A into set B, then 1 to 1 relation is given by means of, if no 2 elements of first set, that is A, have the same image in case of the set B. So here 2 elements, so any 2 elements of the set A must not have the relationship between the relationship with the an element in the set B, or in other words, so no 2 elements of set A have no image in set B. So here A, if a relation, when we consider it by means of capital R, which is from A into B, that is A to B, is said to be 1 to 1 relation if and only if and only if no 2 elements of set A have the same image in set B. So here let us illustrate by means of one example. So here example number 1 under this first one, that is 1 to 1 relation. We are considering the first set, that is A, by means of 1, 2, 3, 4 as the elements, and set B elements as 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Then now the relations are of in this manner. So here the relation is given by means of, so R is the relation from A into B. So therefore, so here R is the relation from A into B. So this is of set A and this is of set B. The elements of set A are of 1, 2, 3, 4, and the elements of set B are of 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here as per the figure, the relationship is 1 to 6, 2 to 7, 3 to 8 and 4 to 9. So here when we observe this particularly, so here no two elements are having the same image in B. So here one image of 1 is of 6, the image of 2 is of 7, then the image of 3 is of 8 and the image of 4 is of 9. So here we can write it as, so here image of 1 is 6, then now image of element 2 is of 7 and the image of element 3 is of 8, and similarly the image of element that is 4 is of 9. So here from this it is concluded that, so here one element of set A is having the relationship with one element of set B, or in other words the image of one element is only the one element in set B. So here in other words, so here no two elements of set A is having the same image in set B. So here therefore it will come under the relation called the 1 to 1. So here from this the relation can be given by means of, so here R is equals to set consisting 1 comma 6 as the first ordered pair, and the second ordered pair is of 2 comma 7, and the third ordered pair is of 3 comma 8, and the fourth ordered pair will be of 4 comma 9. So these are the elements or the ordered pairs of the relation that is R from A into B, so which is nothing but the 1 to 1 relation. Then now let us go for the second case, that is one to many. So it is of one to many relation. So one to many relation is nothing but, when we consider a relation R from A into B, then a relation R from A into B is said to be one to one, one to many relation if one element of A is related with two or more than two elements of set B. Then now here a relation, when we consider it by means of R from A into B, is said to be one to many relation if and only if one element of set A is related, or in other words having the relation is related to two or more elements of set B, then such a type of relation is said to be called as one to many relation. Then now let us illustrate by means of one example. So here in this case the example is of, let us consider the first set, that is A, as 1 comma 2 comma 3, and the second set elements as 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. Then now here as per the diagram, so this is of the first set and this is the second set, the relation is from A into B. So here first set is of A and the second set is of B. The elements of first set are of 1, 2, 3, and the second set elements are of 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here one element of set A must be related to two or more elements of set B. So here one is having the relationship with 4 and one is having the relationship with 2 with 5 and 2 relates with 6 and 3 relates with 7 and 3 relates with 8. And now here in this case, say here every element, that is element 2 of first set, that is 2, is having relationship with two elements of set B, that is having two images. So image of 2 is of 5 and the image of 2 is also of 6. There are of two images of element 2 of set A. There are of two images, that is image of 3 is of 7 and the image of 3 is of also of 8. So here in this manner, say here every element, so element of set A must have the relationship, two or more relationship with the elements of set B. So here it will come under the relation that is called the one to many relation. And now, so relation is given by means of R, then the relation R is given by means of, so here 1 related with 4, or in other words the image of 1 is of 4 and the images of 2 are of 5 and as well as 6, 2 to 5, that is 2 comma 5 and as well as 2 comma 6, and the image of 3 are of 2, that is 3 comma 7 is of one ordered pair, then the next ordered pair will be of 3 comma 8. So in this manner we got, so these ordered pairs as the elements of the relation that is R, which is from A into B. So therefore such a type of relation is said to be called as one to many relation. Then now let us go for the third case, that is many to one.